Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is what's new. What do you think about, it is currently 19 degrees out, and you have people driving their vehicles through the automatic car wash. And the roads are wet and salted, so what is your thought on the fact that is it a waste of time to wash your vehicle? And the other fact is the vehicles rust from the inside out. So what do you think? Is it worth wasting the money? Because by the time they get home, another 2 or 3 miles down the road, the side of the vehicle is going to look just like it was when they rolled in. Not to mention the system there doesn't clean underneath as well as it should. As you saw in one of my other videos, the under spray only lasts about 30 seconds. So you've got to roll through there pretty quick to get that to wash. But again, you know, most vehicles, and this one's a perfect example of how it rusts from the inside out. The tailgate, and it gets under the paint. Any chips, the salt's going to get in, and that's all it takes, you know. So as you can see, this is starting to do the same thing. So I just thought about it because I saw that long line waiting to wash their vehicles. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next What's New.